Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Tuesday. Shares in media, tech, hardware and equipment, and automobiles and component sectors under pressure, while shares in utilities, household and personal products, and food, beverage and tobacco sectors, they were ending on a positive note. Now, on the economic docket, employment cost index rising 0.7% quarter over quarter in the first quarter. Chicago PMI dropping to 52.6 in April, pending home sales rising by 3.8% month over month in March, and the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index climbing to 129.2 in April. This has 64% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple announcing second quarter diluted EPS of $2.46 versus $2.73 a year ago on revenue of $58.02 billion. iPhone revenue reaching $31.05 billion, beating expectations. AMD announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of 6 cents from 11 cents 1 year ago on revenue of $1.27 billion. And turning overseas, Asian markets closed today. European indices are closed except for the FTSE 100, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, ADP, automatic data processing, third quarter EPS seen at $1.69 on sales of approximately $3.9 billion. CVS Health, first quarter EPS seen at $1.51. Moving on, CME Group first quarter EPS seen at $1.60, and Estee Lauder third quarter EPS seen at $1.30. On the economic docket, 8:15 in the morning, we have April ADP employment change figures. 9:45, we have the market manufacturing PMI read. 10 o'clock in the morning, March construction spending and ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of April. And at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, which is expected to remain unchanged. Now, over in the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance and is in focus. The relative strength index shows upside momentum. Long positions above 29.46 are favored, with targets at 29.6925 and 29.78 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees further advance, while the Dow Jones sees 26,825 in sight.